Alright guys, so in today's class I am going to be showing you how you can develop a courier tracking website in less than 40 minutes, right? So you are going to set up an advanced courier tracking website in less than 40 minutes, right? So this website is going to be so beautiful, responsive, and it's going to have all the tracking features that a standard courier website is going to have, right? So the first thing I usually advise you is that a domain name and hosting, right? And I usually advise that you get a domain name and hosting from Bluehost, right? You get a domain name and hosting from Bluehost. Right in this video, below this video, you're going to see a link on Bluehost. So you see Bluehost give you free domain, free SSL. So if you use my link to register, you're going to get a free domain. You're going to get a free SSL from Bluehost, right? So you're going to see my link under this video, right? All you have to do is just click on that link. If you do that, Bluehost is going to give you a free domain, free SSL, and also give you a discount. And also, I will be giving something for bringing you to register with them. So Bluehost is a perfect hosting company for you to develop this kind of website. So all you have to do is just click on host your site. When you click on that link, right? So you click on host your site, you're going to be taken to a place like this. So this package is just good enough for you. So all you have to do is just select this package, right? This package is good enough for you. Just select that package, and so it's going to take you to where you have to create your domain name, right? You have to now enter your domain name. Then the next thing is for you to now make your payment and get started, right? So when you do all of that, you will be given a username and password to log into your cPanel. So this is my cPanel. I'm already logged into my cPanel, right? So we're just going to go right there and see how we can get it done. So the first one, you come to your cPanel, right? So is here, you just find a way to locate your file manager. So this is your file manager right here. So when you scroll down, you see your file manager. All you have to do is just click on file manager. So your file manager is going to load for you, right? Then you open public_HTML, right? So this is my public_HTML, but I do not want to put this site directly on my public_HTML because I already have other site in my public_HTML. So I will upload this site in a folder, in a directory, right? So all I need to do is I'll click on folder and I will say tracking, right? I will say, okay, let me say courier. Right, I will say courier. So I'll create a folder, right? So I've created a folder called courier. So I'll just open this folder, right? So I'm going to upload the file that we need for this, right? I'm going to tell you how you get access to this file that you can use to do exactly the same thing that I'm doing. So all you have to do is just follow my process and you are going to achieve exactly the same thing, right? All you have to do is just follow my process and you are going to achieve exactly the same thing. So just click on upload. I'm going to give you access to the file. So you click on select, then you click on show files, and you locate that file, right? So I have a file on my desktop. So this is the file on my desktop. So I'll just upload this file right away, right? So I'm just going to upload that file right away. So the file is going to take some minutes to upload, so you just have to relax and ensure that the file is properly uploaded, right? So it's going to take it's not going to take more than 1 minute. All right, guys. So as you can see, it has been uploaded fully and it has turned to green, right? So I'll just click here to go back right here. So when I do that, we're going to see this, right? So let's just extract this. So right click and extract. So I click on extract files. I'm going to close that, right? So I'm going to reload that. Then double click to open this. Then I'll click on select or move it to courier. So I'll just remove fast trans and I'll say move file, right? So all of these files will be moved. So if I come back to my public_HTML and I open my courier, I'm just going to see all of these files right here, right? So the next thing I'm going to do right here is to create a database, right? I'm going to create a database because the site we use a database to pull up information about the tracking service. So I'll just come here right here and I'll look for database. I'll look for database. So you can just search for it. So my SQL database wizard, I'll just click on it. And I'm just going to say CodeDB, right? CodeDB. So I'll do this next, and say co-user. Right, so anything you want. So password, I will say password generator. I'll copy this password and I'm just going to put this password in a notepad. Right, so because I'm going to need this password, so I'm going to put that in a notepad. Right, so and I'm going to say use this password, and let me confirm if that's the password. Yes, then I'll say use password, then I'll say create user, then I'm going to copy this right here. I'm going to copy this right here, and I'm going to paste this right here. Is that okay? So I'll click on all privileges and I'll say next step. All right, so that's the database I've created. So the next thing I'm going to do is to upload my SQL file, right? SQL means structured query language. So there's an SQL file. So I'm going to give you access to these two files that you need, right? So you don't have any issues with the file. I'm going to give you access to this file. So I'll go back home, click here to go back home, and I'll look for PHP my admin. So the first time we use MySQL database, so this time we're going to click on what PHP my admin. This is very, very, very simple, right? So I'm going to click on PHP my admin. And when you click on PHP admin, you will see the name of the database that you created, right? So let's just allow that to load for us. So this is the name of the database that was created. Can you see that? So I'll just let it finish loading. So I'll just click on that. The database is going to be loaded right here, right? So the database is going to be loaded right here. So the database has been loaded. So I'll just click on import. Right, so we're going to import the SQL file right away. Then you click on choose file. Look at it here. Click on choose file. Then let's get the file. This is the file. So I'm going to give you access to these two files. I'll open it. Then I'll scroll down here and I'll say what? Go. Can you see that? Go. 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 So it's not going to take up to 50 seconds and the database will be populated. Awesome. Can you see that the database has been populated? So if I click here, right here again, the database name, I'm just going to see all of the tables and the information. So you see tracking admin, can you see that? So these are all of the information about the database. So this is the admin username and the admin password and all of the details that we need. So let's go back to the file manager once more. Then we have to now configure this, right? So we have to configure this. So let's right click on edit, config, then click on edit, then click on edit files, right? So here you just change this name to the name of your website, right? So I'll say courier tracker. I see that. I'll say courier tracker. So I'm going to save that. Then I will now come to the connection file. I'll right click again. Then I'll click on edit files. And I'll click on edit. So here you're going to see the database information. You're going to see root means the username, and this place means the password, and this is the database name. So let's just upload all of that. So I'll just take the password first. I'll copy it. So please, when you're doing this, you don't make any mistake, because if you make any mistake, wow, this is not going to run. So this is the password, and I'm just going to copy the username. So I'm going to copy the username, and I'm going to put the username right here. This is the username. I'm going to put it right here, and then the database name. This is the database name, right? I'm going to copy the database name. So this is the database name. I'm going to put it right here. Can you see that? So I'm just going to save that, right? I'm just going to save that. So now let's try and reload our site. So the site is in this domain / courier. Let's see if our site is going to come up right away. Awesome. Can you see that courier tracker? Oh, this is good. Wow. Can you see that courier tracker? Can you see that? Awesome. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. Awesome. Everything is done for you. Can you see that? Everything is done for you. Can you see that courier tracker? Can you see that? Awesome. Can you see that? This is so awesome. Wow, awesome. And this is the tracking. If you put anything, you track, and you see that tracker information invalid. All right, so you see that. So if you also click on track, you also be taken right here. If you put any details that is not correct, to tell you that details is not correct, right? So we're just going to look at the admin and start creating our tracking, right? So everything here can be changed, right? If you right click on this and copy image address, and you put image address right here and say go. You will see that this logo is in assets img logo y, right? So I used to get logo from something like namelist.com. So I'll just say courier tracker, right? So I've just searched for logo from here. I click on create. So namelist will suggest a lot of courier business name for me. So it's also a place that I used to get business name when I need business name, right? So you can see that this is a cool one. I can just open a new tab. I can open a new tab and can come down Courier Hawk, Globe Courier, Block Courier. So all of these are very good logo that you can just get, and then you can redesign them, right? You can redesign them. So this is good. So let me just save this, save image as. What we are looking at the admin. So we are going to access the admin. So we just come here. It's going to be our domain name / what admin. So admin now. So that will take me straight into the admin, right? Awesome. That will take me straight into the admin. So we can see from here that the admin username is admin and the password is 12345. So you can see that. So I'll just say admin, then I'll say 12345, right? So I'm going to click on login. So the same thing, you can copy this image address, right? Copy this image address and paste it right here. And you see that logo white, save image, right? So let's go to admin and set logo white. So admin, assets, img logo, assets, img logo. So I'm going to upload that. So that's it. So awesome. So I'm also going to do that again for this courier end, and it's going to be assets, img logo. And I'm going to upload that again. So let's just refresh this admin right away and see. So Control F5, always use Control F5, right? Control F5 will just give you a hard refresh, right? So Control F5 will give you a hard refresh. Can you see that courier tracker? Awesome. So I'm going to do admin 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm going to click on login. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. So awesome. So here is going to be your tracking number, right? So awesome. So here is going to be your tracking number, right? So you're going to enter your tracking number. See, your tracking number can be something like this. Can you see that? So this is my tracking number. So I'm going to copy my tracking number right here and put right here because I'm going to need it, right? Then I'm going to say origin port. I can say Algeria. Destination, I can say Nigeria. Transport mode, I can say air. Pieces, I can say 10. Weight, I can say 20 kg. Cubic, I can say 30 cb, right? So you're going to create this tracking information for your client. So delivery required by date. So when is the date that you're going to so I can say 12/12/2022, right? So time, I can say 10, just type 10, then type AM 00, then say AM or PM. So when are you going to deliver? I can say 20/12/01/2022. Yeah, so yeah, I can also say 10:00 a.m. So just type them, they all become a message. Package has been sent. Right, select status. So you can say pick to destination, arrive at destination, right? So anything you want to write, say pick to destination. So time you cannot say 11:00 p.m. I see that date created, I can say 12:01/2021. I see that, then you can say add tracker. Awesome. So when you add tracker, look at the tracker I just added here. Can you see that the tracker just added here is here? So you can click on update. Can you see that you can say update? So from here you can select the status. So let's just use this tracker right here, and then let's go and track that, right? So let me just go to site home. All right. So this is our home. So I want to now track this package, right, that I just created now. So I can come right here and put the tracking number, and I can also click on track and put the tracking number here. So I'll just click on this and I'll click on track order. Awesome. Can you see that? Look at the tracking number from Algeria to Nigeria. Status updated Wednesday. Can you see that? So received, right? Status received, and seafood detail. So I just click on here. Can you see that? Can you see that? Status received. Can you see that? So if I go right here again and update the status, let me say I want to update the status. I'll say status arrived at destination, right, at 12:00 a.m. Message, package has arrived, right? I put date. Can you see that? Update tracker updated successfully. Can you see that? So that has been updated successfully. Can you see that? Arrived, right? Can you see that? Arrived. And I can also even delete. If I want to delete, I can delete that full package, right? So you can delete that package. So let's go right away and retract that information again. So I'll come here right away and retract that again, right? So I'll click on track one more time. So let's go and retract that again. I'll click on track again, and I'm going to put that and say track order, right? So you see that status right now in transit, then I'll click on seafood details. Can you see that? Can you see that? So anything you just put, package has been sent. Can you see that? Package has been sent. Package has arrived. All right. So you can see that. So you can do print, and you can print that as a receipt, right? So you can print that as a receipt. Can you see that? All the information you put, right, will be printed as a receipt. Can you see all of that? So as you can see, guys, we have been able to design a courier tracking website with PHP and HTML in less than let me just refresh this, Control F5. So you can see in less than 40 minutes we have been able to get it done, and you can see the site is very sleek and beautiful, and you can edit any of the information right here, right? You can edit any of the information right here. So if I want to edit any of the information, I'll just go to courier, and these are the files. So you see that these are the files, is the index, right? Is the service, right? So I can just go to the index and I click on edit, right? Can you see that? So I can just click on edit and I can edit whatever information that I want to edit from here. So you can see that in less than 40 minutes we have been able to put up this beautiful website together, right? So like I said in the starting of this video, I'm going to give you access to this script. So if you like this script and you want to get this script, right? So for my clients in Nigeria, I'm going to be giving you access to this script for just 25,000 naira, right? I'm going to give you access to this script for just 25,000 naira. So with 25,000 naira, you're going to get access to this script. And you have not, if you are not in Nigeria, you are in any of the countries that is not Nigeria, you're going to get access to this script for $50. So there will be a link to get this script, right? underneath this video. All you have to do is just click on the link, make payment for the script, and you will automatically download the script just as the script is, and you can install the script on your cPanel and use the script as many times as you want. You are not limited to use the script. So you can use the script as many times as you want. You can edit the script, you can change anything you want to change from this script, because the script is very flexible and very good, right? So you will see a link under this video. You can just go ahead, use it to download the script, or you can chat me on my WhatsApp number. You're also going to see my WhatsApp number underneath this video. So in less than 40 minutes, you see, you can set this up and you can start your courier tracking business without no without no hurdles. So thank you so much. Please, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, so that you encourage me to do more of videos like this, right? So please ensure to subscribe to my channel so that you can do more videos, like you can help me do more, help me to get more videos like this done, right? So thank you guys, and God bless you. I will see you on the inside of success.